The Mobile 17 is here, and it is setting a brand new benchmark for smartphones in 2025. When we first hold this device, the attention to detail is immediately noticeable. The design is sleek, modern, and premium, crafted with a combination of metal and glass that feels solid yet elegant. The front side is dominated by its immersive display, stretching almost edge to edge with ultra-thin bezels. This screen is not just about size, but about quality, offering vibrant colors, deep contrasts, and smooth refresh rates that make everyday usage a pleasure. Whether you're watching videos, scrolling through social media, or playing high-end games, the Mobile 17 display delivers a truly next-level visual experience. Performance is another area where Mobile 17 shines. Powered by the latest flagship processor and supported by fast RAM and storage options, this phone can handle heavy multitasking with ease. Switching between apps feels instant, gaming runs smoothly without frame drops, and overall navigation is buttery smooth. Mobile 17 also comes with advanced cooling technology, ensuring that performance remains stable even during extended gaming or intensive workloads. Now, let's talk about the camera system, one of the highlights of Mobile 17. The device features an AI-powered multi-lens setup that captures professional-grade shots in all lighting conditions. Whether it's daylight photography with crisp details or low-light shots with excellent clarity, the results are consistently impressive. The front-facing camera is equally powerful, designed for high-quality selfies, vlogging, and crystal-clear video calls. With 4K recording, stabilization features, and multiple creative modes, the camera system is built for today's content creators and mobile photographers. Battery life is equally impressive on Mobile 17. The large battery, combined with intelligent power management, ensures all-day performance on a single charge. And when it's time to recharge, the fast-charging technology brings the battery back to life in record time. The addition of wireless charging makes it even more convenient for users who prefer a cable-free experience. Mobile 17 also supports 5G connectivity, meaning blazing fast internet speeds and smoother streaming, gaming, and downloads. With advanced security features like in-display fingerprint sensors and facial recognition, you can be sure your data is safe while maintaining quick and easy access to your phone. In terms of software, Mobile 17 runs on the latest operating system with a clean, user-friendly interface. It brings new customization options, AI-based enhancements, and optimized features to make daily usage seamless. The phone is also optimized for long-term software updates, giving users confidence that their investment will stay relevant for years to come. To sum it up, the Mobile 17 is a smartphone that perfectly balances power, design, and innovation. It is built for gamers, professionals, photographers, and everyday users who want the best mobile experience possible. If you are planning to upgrade in 2025, the Mobile 17 is definitely worth considering. And before you go, make sure to subscribe to ProMonk for more in-depth smartphone reviews, daily updates, and exclusive looks at the latest tech. Your support helps us bring more content just like this, and we promise, there's so much more coming your way.